One little apple, shiny and red, rolling and giggling out of its bed. Count with me, come along too. Let's find more fruits. One, then two. Two yellow bananas.